Hi, Dr. Jennifer Mulhern here in The Right Shoe as part of Martin Foot and Ankle. Today we're going to be talking about some tips for picking out a good supportive shoe and specifically some spring and summer shoe options. When we're talking about good supportive shoe wear choices, the two tests that I always have my patients look at a shoe are the test for flex and the twist test. The flex test is that a shoe should never bend through the midsole. This shoe here does not bend through the midsole. It should, however, bend through the toe box so that your toes can move normally with weight-bearing activities. The twist test, you should take the shoe and you should never be able to bend a shoe like a dish rag. If you can, the shoe itself does not have enough inherent support. If we look at this shoe, for example, this shoe will fail on both the flex test and the twist test. It bends in the middle and it also twists like a dish rag, so it does not have enough inherent support. There are plenty of good supportive sandal options available. This example is a Vionic sandal that has some nice inherent arch support into it. It also does pass those two tests, meaning it doesn't twist like a dish rag and it doesn't bend in the midsole. Some of the things that you should remember about shopping for shoes is always shop at the end of the day. This is when your feet will be most swollen, so you'll be sure you'll have a good fit both morning to evening. As a podiatrist, the recommendation is always to stay away from being barefoot. Of course, in the summer months, we do realize that sometimes at picnics, out in the yard, in and around the house, you're barefooted. It's important to use caution on the terrain that you're barefooted on. And when you're going to be doing a lot of high-level activities or any athletic activities, you should always be in shoe wear to protect your feet. If you're not protecting your feet, some things that can happen are foreign bodies, where pieces of splinter or pieces of glass get into your feet. Other things that we can see happen are blisters or burns if you're on hot surfaces in the summer without shoes and protection. And of course, bee stings. If there's bees in the grass, we can have a sting on the bottom of the foot. The Right Shoe at Martin Foot and Ankle has plenty of options for your summer footwear needs. Take a look at our Lidditz location, which is in the shops at Kissel Village, right next to our office. If you're looking for some specific options, come on in and we'd like to help you pick out the right shoe.